So yeah, I think my husband is cheating on me with another woman. Please help me, detective.
Okay, so before I start, I got one question I need to ask you, and it's a very, very serious question. Is the mistress pretty or not?
Why are you asking that?
No ma, curious ma, because I always watch drama normally the mistress more beautiful than the wife one. Correct, right? Correct. I'm right, right?
Hey, you want to help or not?
Of course lah, that's why I'm here ma. Okay, anyway I'm Detective Be Curious. Okay, I'm the best in Singapore, Malaysia, and even all the way to Batam. So you can count on me. But before we start, right? Okay, I need some information from you. I need his photo, okay, his secondary school, primary school, university information. I also need his past work experience, and also I need all his friends' information. So are you able to provide me?
Wow, you cannot check Facebook ah?
Facebook ah? You're not in lah. Nowadays people use Instagram one, especially my age one.
Then go check his Instagram lah.
Yeah lah, check lor. Anyway, curiosity kill the cat ma. Cannot ask me.
Then I just show you a photo.
Ah, come. Oi, say! This one your uncle ah?
I thought purposely find an older looking guy, he won't find another woman. Who's knows still got girl want him.
Should be the girl more prettier than you lah. Okay, but anyway, you can count on me. I will help you solve this case. Give me a few days. I will get back to you.
Your husband this kind of face really go find mistress eh.
How? What happened?
I tell you the story. Your husband is seen with a lady talking and sitting closely with one another and laughing. Then the lady purposely drop the coffee. Then your husband help her wipe it off eh. Then you see your husband that face right when you look at the girl right. Wow, they must have something going on. Wow, they even held hand in the cafe eh. Then at the void deck right, wow, I saw your husband right giving the girl right a key card right, and they enter a apartment together. Then right, inside the car park right, I tell you your husband and this girl right, they enter this car. Then after that, your husband pass her a check eh. Then suddenly the girl head right slowly drop down.
You can guess what happened after next. Very hard 21 lah.
Oh my god.
Beatrice, you are wrong. Wrong? Yeah, ma'am. Nowadays, where got such thing? Use handphone only to investigate. I tap into his phone, and the story goes like this.
This is what happened. Okay, correct, they were at the cafe lah. But the thing is, your husband was just there talking about interior design, and then she said, "Hey, I think it costs about 50k." Your husband was listening. Suddenly, she spit out her tea because your husband being a cheapskate asking for a cheaper price. But no, and then your husband go and wipe her hand lah. But she not even interested. Push away his hand and then wipe herself her ear. Yes, they visit a house, correct. But the thing is, it's your house. They were just checking out the design, how to design the layout. Aiyo. Then comes the car. Your husband was actually trying to pass off the jack and then drop. Then she said, never mind, I pick it up.
And that is what happened.
Wow, Be Curious, you damn jialat eh.
No lah, you choose the wrong package ma. You choose the one without voiceover one. Excuses. Aiyo, here. Sibei jialat you. Not only find one stupid detective, find two some more leh. I listen to their conversation I also find it so funny. You think too much really lah. You know I go to the Renopedia.sg right, find 8 to 10 interior designer, then I find the best one. I want to give you a surprise.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry dear, I feel so bad.
Next time you want to find detective right, go and find 10 and compare. No okay, so I know they're following me They're so stupid. Let's go home. Hey! What jialat Another unpaid guy. They say you stupid
No, I'm not the only one. Got two. Just now they say two.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.